Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. You guys can see that I have a strange looking man with me today.
Strange. Wow.
A man that is not my husband, a man that is not my brother, a man that is not my father. Alright?
Assistant husband. Assistant husband.
Guys, we have Chukwudi in the house today. And if you just see him for the very first time, he's one of my husband's very, very good friends.
We're trying.
But anyway, I have him on the channel today. One, because Chukwudi is now a YouTuber. Hey! Chukwudi is now a YouTuber. His channel name is called The Emotional Guy.
Yeah.
Like, I love that, guys.
When you have Alma as a friend, I mean, you have to borrow a leap from her. You have to borrow a leap from everything. You have to marry a fine woman that looks like her. You have to know how to cook like her. You have to have a YouTube channel like her.
Every. We hear you loud and clear. We hear you. But anyway, this video is just going to be a random Q&A video. Once you guys are done with this, please go over to his channel. There's a video that you will find there of myself, him and Jesse. We filmed a video together and it's super interesting. You would want to watch it, so please check him out. Subscribe to his channel, show him love, finish him with love. All right,
Finish me with love.
all right guys, so without further ado, let's get right into this video. All right, are you ready? Look at this man.
Please be still.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
On top of this Q&A. Now, wow. Okay. Chukwudi. What kind of childhood did you have?
Wow.
Yes. Wow.
My childhood was amazing. Very amazing.
Really? Great.
I attended 5 primary schools,
Oh, wow.
5 secondary schools.
Okay.
And eventually attended 3 universities at the last count.
Wow.
Yeah, I had these awesome parents that were both disciplinarians and knew how to have fun. I have 7 siblings.
Wow.
From one mother.
Your mom had 8 children, has 8 children.
Yeah, so you know what it's like for all of us to eat together.
Yeah.
And they always made us eat together. Growing up as a child, I didn't grow up in a family where the girls did the chores and the guys sat by. I was overworked.
Well, that's good to know. That's good to know that you were very hands-on as a child.
I was very hands-on.
Well, that's great.
I mean, everything that a woman can do in a house, I can do.
Aww.
I'm not even joking.
Hi.
You know,
husband material, 100,000 years right here.
My papa disciplined us. He do or shege.
Are you serious?
You mess up, you get messed up. Let's just leave it at that.
What makes you insecure?
Insecure.
Yes. What makes you insecure? I think this is a topic that people don't like to discuss.
No, I don't think I have ever felt insecure.
Really?
My dad was partly a soldier and he studied maths and statistics from University of Ibadan. My mom studied public administration from Uni Abuja. That's where she got her degree. Before then, she had a couple of businesses she ran. So I grew up in a family where confidence was built into you from a young age.
Oh, that's interesting.
You can't come back home crying and tell my mom, Alma beat me. She will beat you.
Ask her, why you not be the person back?
What did you do? You know? So insecurity.
Yeah.
I don't think I have. No, I can't figure out if I have any insecurity.
Oh, that's good to know. That's super interesting. Wow. Okay. What do you expect from a love relationship? What are your expectations when you set out to be with a woman?
Whenever this question comes up, people think of all kinds of things.
Yeah.
I remember dating a girl one time and she asked me this question, and when I told her what I wanted from her, she was kind of embarrassed. She thought I was going to be giving her ultimatums and stuff like that. No. So from a love relationship, what I want is for us to build each other.
Okay.
That's what I want. If she's successful, I'm happy. If I'm successful, she's happy. If we're both successful, we're happy. If she sees opportunities that will benefit me, she drags me to it practically. You know, she doesn't just pay lip service to it. And if I see opportunities that will benefit her, I always believe that supporting my woman is a plus for me.
That's lovely.
Not just for her.
That's good to know. Chop. Nice one. What is the one thing that you cannot tolerate?
Unkindness. Kindness gives birth to a whole lot of things, and unkindness gives birth to a whole lot of things.
That's cool.
You need to be kind to yourself, and you need to be kind to people around you.
Yeah.
Being kind to yourselves, it will lead you to success, it will lead you to opportunities, it will lead you to better friendships, and so on and so forth. So I don't know how to deal with unkindness. I find it very distasteful.
Wow. What do you find attractive in a woman? Talk, talk. Tell us.
I like a woman who knows how to dress. I like a woman who is kind. I like a confident woman. I like a woman who knows how to talk to a man.
Very key.
And then I like a woman who knows peace. So let me give you an example of what I mean. So the lady I'm currently dating.
Oh, you have broken the hearts of those that are watching. Because they know that you have lady. Now they know that you have lady. Oh yeah. So
the lady I'm currently dating, we were supposed to go to Kaduna for a wedding. And I didn't pick up my clothing on time from the tailor. So I eventually, she had been warning me, I don't want to miss this wedding. It was a Muslim wedding we were going for. So she wanted to be there for the, I don't know, they call it Fatia or something the day before. By the time we got to the train station, the train had left for Kaduna.
Shoot, she'll be so mad.
The only thing she said to me was, take me home. And from the Idu train station in Abuja till we got to her house in Gudu, she didn't say a word. One word. Trust me, it was the longest drive of my life, and I've been driving a very long time. I would drive and turn and look at her, and she was just, her face was calm. She wasn't shouting. She wasn't nothing. And I said to myself, I'm not letting this girl go. So
when is the wedding? When is the wedding?
When we got to her house, she wanted to leave the car, and I held her hands and I said, say something, anything you say now is justified. Guess what she did? She just smiled and said, I'm coming, let me talk to my sister and her boyfriend outside. And then she came back to the car and she was like, are you not coming out? Are you not coming upstairs?
Oh, look at the glee in your face. Hey, Jesus. Oh.
So, I'm sure some of you ladies, in fact, some of you guys, you can imagine what would have happened if you were to be somebody else.
Me personally, babe, what would I have done? I would have thought. if you open my pop-up, I will deal with you, sir. I will go on a ranting spree. Oh my God.
I'm not justifying what I did.
Yeah.
But that was extra for me.
No, she's amazing.
I really did appreciate it.
She's amazing.
Yeah, she
Please
is.
hold that tight.
She is.
Hold that tight. Wedding loading. What kind of music do you like, and which places in this city do you like to go to?
So I used to write poems. So I like songs that are poetic, R&B, I like Simi, I like Adekunle Gold, even though I don't understand some things he says because I'm not Yoruba. I like...
Do you like them because they're a couple, or you just like their individual music style?
Oh, I wasn't saying it because they're a couple.
No. Okay.
I like Asha, I like these guys that sing wet sounds, music with lyrics that you understand, and not just beats. I hate beats.
Yeah, beats and nonsense.
Yeah, I like good music, but one genre of music I don't like is hard rock.
Oh, really? You lost me there.
I don't like.
I'm a rock fan. Well, I don't like hard metal rock either. I love soft rock.
I like soft rock.
Yeah.
Please,
hard rock is actually a lot.
Please.
It's a lot.
Yeah, so just give me something nice and simple. But sometimes I've not been going out in this town.
Yeah, I know you don't do a lot of going out, to be honest. You don't do a lot of going out. So I don't even know why I asked you this question.
For some time I've not been going
couch
out.
Potato.
So, I like visiting people's houses. I like visiting my friends actually.
Yes.
But for some time I've not been going out. But if I have to go out, I like to bowl.
Oh, really?
I like to bowl.
We should go bowling soon, then all of us.
Yeah, I like to bowl. I was recently at Escape Room. It was very intriguing. I will have to go back there.
Where is Escape Room?
Escape
is it
Room?
A bowling alley?
It's not a bowling alley. It's in Wuse2. It's in the same complex with Lagos Bistro.
Oh, of course. Lagos Bistro, Cappadocia, Amazonia, they're all in the same place.
Yeah, it was really nice. It was
Escape
really
Room.
nice. Escape Room was nice.
Oh, I should check that out.
I'm not doing advert for Escape Room.
Don't worry, we'll check it out. Don't give them free advance.
Okay.
What is the one thing that you cannot live without?
One thing or one person?
I'm gonna stand hey! Kukuma kiosk now, kiosk of us here.
The one thing I can live
It
without
can be a person, it can be
water.
Is water.
I like to drink water. I drink a whole lot of water.
Yeah.
So if I have
know,
water,
since you came to my house, you've drank how many bottles? I know.
If I have water, I'm fine. I'm good. Seriously, I'm fine. But if I have to add extra to that, I like movies. I like books. I like to read. I like espionage books. All them Tom Clancy, Sidney Sheldon, all these guys. I love their books. I love movies also, and I love playing games.
Well, what's the one person you cannot do? Let us add person. Who is the one person you cannot live without, sir?
Time will tell.
Time will tell. What is the one item that you have recently crossed off your bucket list?
Starting my YouTube channel.
Yes, finally. People know when he told me he wants to open YouTube channel. It's like how many donkey years ago. So I'm just happy that he's finally opened that channel.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm happy about that. If you could describe yourself with one word, what would it be? One word.
You know, whenever I hear that question, I don't know how people do it.
Yeah, I know. It's a very,
very
tricky question. Yeah, I think people just pick one of their qualities and blow it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I don't know how it's done. Like.
Okay, let's make it easier for you. 3 words.
3 words. I would say tenacious, indomitable, and pleasant.
Yeah, indomitable.
Yeah.
Tenacious.
Tenacious.
Please teach us English. We don't know the word that is indomitable.
It's you that asked me about words now.
Yeah.
You say I should use sentence or phrase.
Sorry, sir. So you guys
I'm
heard.
pleasant, I'm indomitable, and I'm tenacious.
Tenacious. Okay. Do you believe in God?
Absolutely. Jesse wouldn't be my friend. I wouldn't be here either.
I know, right? But we have atheists. I have an atheist who watches my channel. Yeah. I think I made a video one day about some guy that I was liking that was an atheist when I was single, and an atheist made a comment on my video. I was like, "Oh, we atheists matter" or something like that. I was like,
no, I'm not
really?
saying they don't matter. I'm just saying I don't know how.
How to?
It's just like, to be very honest, with due respect to all of you guys, I don't know how you eat amala.
They'll come for you. Hey!
Honestly, no, the food is amazing. Whenever I see how it is prepared, when you put the
I tried it recently and I really liked it.
You now press it and turn it.
Yeah,
you pour this.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I tried it
once.
I tried it for the first time last year and I really loved it.
I tried it once and
it didn't just hit the right spots. It's not for everyone, to be honest. The same way Igbo food is not for everybody too.
I get
people who don't eat salad, who don't eat onubu, who don't eat
I just use that to give an example.
Yeah.
The same way I don't understand how people eat amala is the same way I don't understand how people are atheists. I would like to sit down with an atheist and talk one day.
Yeah, and know what they are. Well, how did you come to this conclusion?
Especially those who used to believe and don't believe anymore.
Yeah.
I'd like to sit down.
I feel like that one is even easier to know because maybe those ones that had experiences that led them to believe there is no God.
I agree though.
But for those who have from maybe childhood believed that there is no God, I don't know how they do it, sharp, but yeah. Do you think that dating is harder or easier with the internet? In this our age of social media, is dating easier or harder?
It's a little bit of both.
Okay.
I remember growing up, if you didn't know how to write English, you're not writing a love letter to a girl.
That's right.
Don't even try it. Because them days when a love letter goes out, you're not just writing to her alone, you're writing to her friends.
Yeah, because her friends will read it.
Everybody will read it. And if it happens to fall into the hands of anybody that was in her class that is a guy, for those of us that went to mixed school, they're writing it on the board. And you're going to be mocked for the rest of
your days.
Back then, it was okay to approach her, say things to her, and you can easily deny if she goes to mess you up outside. But I feel like with the advent of the internet, with the gram, with Twitter, with Facebook, all these things, I don't understand why everybody's going to put out everything out there. I think having some form of privacy is good for intimacy and is good for dating.
Yeah.
So I actually would think that with internet now, dating has become more grievous, it's become harder and it's become more dangerous.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah.
It's not as easy and as carefree and as beautiful as it used to be. You know, when there was no social media.
It's almost as if dating has been disvirgined.
Dating has been disvirgin with social media, guys. According to Chukwudi. According to the gospel of Chukwudi.
What can I say?
What is the number one thing that you do not like about women? Because I know that women have a general thing that maybe they do or they are about. So, like, what is that number one thing that you don't like about women in general?
To keep this thing friendly now.
Just this one.
It's almost like you're setting me up. Right now.
Just this one. If you like talk the one, they will not finish you. Oh yeah.
Can I call a friend?
No, you cannot call a friend. What is the number one thing you don't like about women?
Number one thing I don't like about women.
Yeah.
Sometimes I don't get why women are not just straight. Do you want to go out? She will not say yes. She will not say no. And then you go out. Problem. What do you want to eat? Do you want us to buy? No. Do you want us to do? Okay, what? I'm not sure. And then you eventually get pounded yam and white soup or fisherman soup. Babe, why did you buy this now? You know I'm not going to eat. But I asked you what you were going to eat. Women are just not straight.
Oh my God.
All right, what are we going to wear to church on Sunday? Do you want us to wear red? I think we should wear yellow. You want us to wear yellow? We'll wear labi, yellow. You will now package yourself, iron your yellow shirt, your yellow trouser, your yellow socks, your yellow watch, everything.
Yellow watch.
And then she comes out on Sunday morning. Babe, I don't think we should wear yellow again. Find something else for us to wear.
I know. It's a lot of women do that. I know.
It's almost impossible for you to hold on to the mind of a woman and go with it. But funny thing is that that's what makes them very intriguing.
Yeah.
The mysteriousness of them makes them very intriguing. So as much as it's a problem for me, sometimes I just sit down and I'm like, what's this?
Would you rather win $1 million or fall in love?
Why can't I just have both of them?
What's
with this condition?
Assuming, should in case it happens, will you rather pick $1 million? Not naira or dollars, hard currency.
What if I'm in love already?
If you're in love already, you're already in love now. It doesn't apply. No, it does not apply to you, sir. It does not apply to you. You don't know because you like money so much that you can't even let go of the money and choose love.
Wait now.
Hey.
Let me tell you guys something. Whether you like it or not, romance without finance equals annoyance.
Yeah. Hey.
It's the love principle. It's the love theory.
Yeah.
Take it to the bank.
That's
and
right.
Put it.
It's true.
Romance without finance equals
annoyance. So.
And the simple truth of the matter also is that finance without romance equals annoyance.
True.
So many of you that are going to be distracting people this Valentine's Day is because you didn't have anybody to spend the money on.
Gaskiya. Okay, guys, so that is it for this video. Just a very nice, fun, random Q&A, and I hope
first. What would you rather take? $1 million or fall in love?
$1 million.
$1 million.
$1 million for me. Sorry, about that money. The love will come another time.
My friend is in trouble.
The money will come. The love will come another time. Let me have that money first.
The rest.
Hope you guys enjoyed seeing Chukwudi on my channel. Don't forget to go and check out his own channel, The Emotional Guy. I will have everything linked in the description box down below. Go check him out. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed watching. Subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Share. I'll see you guys in my next one. All right. Mwah. Bye.